Hey y'all, it's your girl Sashi E. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful summer butterfly faux locks hairstyle using Toyo Tress butterfly locks crochet hair. So to get started, I will be using the versatile braid pattern, which is super beginner friendly. This makes the style look more natural and less bulky. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my Shine and Jam magic fingers and I'm going to place it on that part. And then I'm going to get my comb and go over that part to ensure that my parts are nice and crisp. So now I'm going to split this section in half, you guys, and I'm going to prep it to get braided or plaited. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my Shine and Jam magic fingers and I'm going to put it at the base of the hair so that it could lay nice and flat. And then I'm going to comb it through and proceed to do a 3-stranded plait. And then I'm not going to plait it too much. I'm just going to maybe plait it about an inch, inch and a half, 2 inches. And then I'm going to connect it to that second section of hair. And then I'm going to plait it as well. So I'm doing the same thing for this section as well, and I just wanted to show you guys once more just in case you missed it. So I'm just adding the Shine and Jam magic fingers, plaiting it about an inch, and then I'm connecting it to that other section of hair and plaiting that as well. Alright guys, so I am done with the first portion of my hair and I'm moving on to the back where I am going to be doing the cornrows. So I am going to be connecting each loose plait to the braid. So as you can see, once I cornrow all the way down, I do have a hanging piece, and I just wanted to show you guys this part so that you guys can see the main reason why my crochets are always super flat in the back. It's because of this method right here. So yes, I just wanted to show you guys again how I connect that loose piece of hair into the cornrow, and as you guys can see, it does look very flat and nice, and what this does, it eliminates all that bulkiness. Alright guys, so I am done with the back section, and I just wanted to show you guys how I am securing that last piece of loose hair. So what I'm doing is I am sewing it, and I also wanted to show you guys how I knot it. I pretty much just wrap a half of the thread around the needle and I pull it through, and that secures the knot. So here are a couple clips of how my hair looks after I did the versatile crochet braid pattern. So what I'm doing now is I'm using the Luster's Pink Natural Oil Blend, and I'm just going to spray that oil on my scalp. I really love this. I love the concept of having oil in a spray bottle. It makes it so easy to apply the oil to my scalp. So now I am going to be showing you guys the hair. So this is the hair. It's from Toyo Tress Butterfly Locks. It came with 8 packs of hair, which is good because y'all know my head a little big. So it comes with 8 packs of hair, and in each pack it has 10 butterfly locks. So I'm about to get started now with the installation process. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my crochet needle. I'm going to open it. I'm going to insert the crochet needle in my hair. Once that is inserted, you guys, I am going to open the loop on the butterfly lock just a little bit. And then I am going to attach it. I'm going to slowly pull it through, especially around my edges. Y'all know my edge is already thin, so I don't need no problems. And then I'm going to connect it at the end and pull that through as well.
gonna do? Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I'm willing to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen.
So I ended up using all 8 packs of the hair, you guys. I have 79 butterfly locks in my hair, and as I said, I had 80 butterfly locks in all, so I only had 1 left over, you guys. So I definitely needed all 8 packs. If your head is a little bit smaller than mine, then you may be able to go for 6 or 7 packs, but for me, a part of the big head crew, I needed all 8 packs. And I just wanted to show you guys another close-up of how the lock look, and also to show you how big the loop gets. And yeah, guys, that is it for the tutorial, you guys. Y'all can tell me this isn't a look, y'all. This is so pretty. The color is so perfect on me, you guys. I absolutely love it. I love the length. The hair isn't itchy or anything like that, and I feel like it just looks really, really nice. If you guys would like 15% off, definitely check the link in my description box. When you click on that link and use that link to purchase, you will get 15% off. And yeah, y'all, that is it for today's video. If you like it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment. Let me know how you guys are feeling the length and also the color. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. I post on Sundays, Wednesdays, and Fridays at noon Eastern Standard Time. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!